Old Sansura Building, angena Kisii Main Bus Stage. Gusua Kisimi, asenamba, enotisano nebire, eye mokianda, inyeisano, enotinye, inyeisano nemo. Osmo Traders Limited. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. Ndizi TV. Ubwansu bw'Omugusii.
Mwana na indo mwanchu murigererio Ndizi TV na bwansu bw'Omugusii ekerongo igena nogenderete kwegokya kubwatia EMEROBERIO nsi yegetasenie keiga Charagire Chinsa Isato ekerongo kwarigania SMS Amayia irongo manyumuna nara yaya na kwariganira senchira ere yobwekiranu litanganike igimati turanyore gatiari na kwariganira senchira ere yobwenge. Omugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati goteba nachi gotara kurigereria AMAGENDERERO irio koeneke bungainere ritiboyo ane nasobwa gachibwe chipara.
Tumeandaa hii sherehe vilivyo, venue ama mahali ambapo tutafanyia sherehe kwa mwaka huu ya Madaraka Day itakuwa hapa Gusii Stadium.
EMEROBERIO mekiranu bosibo moyego Madaraka Day nigo yabereke gwikirana segeti kya Gusii Stadium ime county ya Kisii niga koeneke mo Deputy County Commissioner Elizabeth Atemi.
The bill must be withdrawn in totality and be reintroduced afresh.
Obomo bwa AZIMIO la umoja wa Kenya kugikere borore bili echibesa sibaganirie tuguterware na korosi waboya. Hayo mnaenda mankengo kwarigania riongo manya senchira ere yobekirano ekirango konyore mna SSM ya Facebook na bagotonyara wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bagotwitwetera @Ndizi TV News eri otogendere gusanga na boigo kwemanyia amankiretere ne Everline Osero tokubwatira na nere Joshua Auta kweneke buna wekeire asensemo imanyererio kabana intwe weka omorio okwarganto ya chaka senchira ya bene awase abarai au bagendere to wekira na CHISUKURU mnenchire moyo koenekia buna AMAGENDERERO kanire CHISUKURU nabo igo chisemi cyabere CHIGOSIIRA hiro konya aborokiwa kwegenderera bya ase amasomabo naditkoria rero nigo muwaziri we chisemi Ezekiel Machogu kubatira no muwaziri wa mangana yoberani Eludo Walo baba gutarira CHISUKURU au imeyense gati ya beskuru y'abanyaruka ya Nyabururu yotoka ime county ya Kisii eskuru y'abamura ya Nyambaria ime ya Nyamira nabo yeskuru y'abanyaruka ya Tumbe ime ye county ya Nyamira okwana chinga kiecho Machogu nigo AENEKIGWE buna serikali nechiko bwatoka chibesa ase CHISUKURU YOGOSIIRA bitisemi ase CHISUKURU
na yeye wakati unarudi kwa fani
Nase chinga kiechio nigo muwaziri mwamangana yoberani Eludo Walo AENEKIGWE muna nigo bago chiako enekia obotumekibwe chinchera chiekerero wabere boko AENEKIGWE ase CHISUKURU anena aso kubeka chi computer nabo igo kwagacha ebirasi byekerero ase ogosomera abana bali barabe bakonyora amaigero igoro ye chi computer niga AENEKIGWE igo muna internet nechikobekwa ase CHISUKURU chionsi eriko konya aborokiwa goikera amasomo ase nchira yekerero.
One thing that we want to do as government is to ensure that our youth have got adequate ICT skills. ICT skills. Right from your age. right from your age. What we are doing as government is that we are taking computers to schools, we are taking computers to TVET institutions, we are also setting up digital laboratories in the villages so that our youth who are in the village can also learn. We are also taking internet to markets so that our mothers can use internet to sell their products. In schools, we are also connecting internet. Are we together? That is the plan of the Kenya Kwanza government led by President William Samoei. So because you performed well in school in the exams last time, because your school performed well and we want you to perform better this time, I'll come back with CS Machogu, but before we come back here, I'm going to send a team from my ministry to come and set up here 100 computers. Together with internet.
Togotikana nayo nigo mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati agendrete koenekia na amagendera beriga korokana chinsemo ao imeye county ya Kisii arati nigateiro na nigo agochwikira nase chinsemo ao erio korigereria EMEROBERIO ya magendero anene obwagachi bwechpara ritkoria rero nigabaka gutarira chinsemo ao erio korigereria amagendero yobwagachi obwo bwechpara gukwana se ebunge ya South Mogrango arati nigateba buna nigagocha koenekia obungainereri tibori NEKIWA asensemo ya magenderero boigoniga mugania omochumbe o South Mogrango Silvana Sosoro kwenekia buna EMEROBERIO yeserekali eyobente okorekana se county ya Kisii yabereke gwikirana
na yeye wakati tunarudi kwa fundraising marimu na nataka tukirudi iwe hiyo nyumba itakuwa imeendaenda sitaki kuja kama itaendaenda. Kwa hivyo kwanza wewe jura ya Agosti nipatie wewe pesa kwanza usukume nyumba wakati unaona iko karibu kufika pahari ndio tuje na huyu pamoja na wengi. Si tutakuja na wengine sitaki kutaja lakini simtawaona. Na tena ninyi nihakikishie kitu moja. Na kama mchafanya mtihani nitakuja mwalimu kwa sababu kwangu si mbali, huyu anajua pahali alikuwa ndio kwangu. Nitakuja siku moja jioni tu, si ndio? Niketi na ninyi, kama ni ng'ombe nilete tukule pamoja. Lakini ng'ombe mtamalisha au ni mbuzi? Au ninyi ni watu wa kuku? Au ninyi ni
tuachiriga kormambe twanzite esabari koru yaribari twacha kitutu chache north and south twacha bonchari twachiri bugirango twachicha esengenje kipara obokora konyora bororo lakini hono ncheplega bane na sengi lazima ngiche ndolenga kichokoraki chikogenda na inu kimora make sure epare arosi manya inki keroro where is the contract you're the contract e contract na manya sawe kweke karabati ebi kwe eriere SBQ amara babe tigenganywe na mayani aigaro simutarasa macha ko kurende epare tumekese chingaki amangana siasa ndai tukwana ambogira utalibo ambogira na bamrantu kwa na umragaiga amaitega bogira kama nyaitali barwani wo mwe wa manganai lakini yetu kenekewe mtu basa tigaturwana amongo tutiye kurwana abanyaitali kubisa abanyaitali abanyari bari banyobera abagirango bari banyobera abanyari bari bono kimashini onye cyarenge isatu emo ya rweto gembo ekale tororo konyora ya gotire igabe kworo eyende nya eyarenge sto Ediende ya mungu korayani, umontaga kukeumbu, umongi no yuko ibora. Aba nyektari wa dewe gaba na laki, tuanchire, turusi mashine ya mo nduru, ekonye, montu, tako. Kaki kina ingoko. Ina ingobanje. Ba moja kurusi. Abantu barenga nawe. Ngeke wanyektari wa ritikali. Serikali, GK, ngakwako wawe. Abantu wetu egaziriya abantu ko excited nembe tikatoro skipara tokonya abana ndabona bintu mwana ya kwana about the school umujumbo ino muboli. Ask the member of parliament, he is the chief whip. Let us see the fruits of the chief whip. Iga CHISUKURU chie wu ABASAE lakini secondary to iwana ngaki umujumbe adili na university na college na inche no mu MCA to diri na mangana a secondary igo mweshino Osero erna mangana kocheralia college oche university onye siasa mwiso de tuarwe ondo tagete kuhuri siasa
Magega y'abakagerwa boboiti ase ensemo ya nyamakoroto goikiwa ase goseko kwa byara nigo lyaswari tkoria kabere ekero baikiwa bosio bekambero erio kwegerera kubwatikana na mamochayo yoboiti nonya naboniga bakagerwa bo babagokana amamochayo bosio bwo monachiebi na Winfrida Okwanyi uyote ababuna nigo okonachwa wekine kyokora chikorwe wa chitariki 15 cyomutienyi ogatano narimo gose ekine kyonge chigose kagerwa bomba chikoigorerwa ase bond nekina kiabo koletwa ase county ya Kisii aya necingaki abawakiri baba gose abawakiri baba kagerwa abo baba kurugo gosaba go cyase kigambiro kya Nyamira buna babe bakubwato kwa ase bond.
Asiri tukulia kabiri kina igoryo goichoko abanchi babere Edward na Grace Morema ensemwe nyamakoroto account Nyamira nigo abakegerwa abanene asekinekyo baikabosibwe kigambero kya Nyamira abakagerwa abanene asekinekyo Ezekiel Mogeni, Peter Njoroge, Peris Ondara na Dennis Ondara mbaka na amamochayo asekina gyategerero n'umunachi ekina Winfrida Okwanyi
kiana na wengine ambao hawajafikishwa mahakamani mulimuua Edward Morema Nyagechi, Ezekiel Mogeni Migiro. Ni ukweli ama si ukweli?
Si ukweli.
Peris Ondara?
Si ukweli.
Dennis Ondara Clement?
Si ukweli.
It's not true. Peter Njoroge Kirika?
Si ukweli.
It's not true.
Ensemo yali kwegerera abakagerwa eyekora uno mwakili Samson Nyaberi na Geoffrey Omenke mbaru ogosababuna abakagerwa basiborwe magayo gwakana ebond nekina ekyo kunganyo gochia se koti ya Kisii.
My lady, we are applying for bond for the second accused person with an alternative, my lady, of a cash bail with a rider that perhaps she gets a contact person. And the reasons or grounds that we are making that application is that the second accused person is a teacher.
Ensemo yali kwegerera enka ya Morema eyekora una Wilkins Ochoki mbasa babakageru gotabwato kwa asengencho ogosiboro kwabo nigokora abeke amagema yenkeye ase akongu.
That I am not seen to be giving evidence from the bar. Yes. But very briefly, my lady, they are not staying at home because their life is in danger. And as you balance the constitutional right of the accused persons, kindly balance it with the rights of the victims the circumstances, my lady, under which the deceased died.
Somosweli omonene bwe serikali Joel Chilchil asaba mbasi borwa asengencho egati abakegerwa abo nigo babwate amamojo atarategererwa nuko bwato kwa kwabo nigo korabeki amagimabo ase akongu.
The society is still hostile and they are likely to be eliminated if released on board. That nearly all the accused persons are criminals in nature. This court is inclined to release the accused person on board. We kindly request that the same should not be done at this stage, not unless and until our vulnerable witnesses have testified.
Omonachi ekina Wilfrida Okwanyi na hata yabanachikorwa okonacha chitariki 15 cy'omutienyi okobwati igoro yoko bwato kwa bakagerwa bugwetera ase bond gose ekine kukwanyugo cha sekoti ya Kisii.
So Mr. Choki filed and served the affidavit before Friday this week and made the ruling on the bond application and the application to transfer the case to Kisii High Court on 15th of June 2023.
Korua se County Nyamira, Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Mbia mono umurikeito Job Mangi asorba tiororokera nukorwa se county ya Nyamira umuyega bwo chengera ritko rya Madaraka Day erigo chengerwa kere tariki ya moyo mutienyi o gatanu na limo kero mwaka nigo yaikiranire ase county ya Kisii umuyega ora korekane ase geti kya Gusii Stadium aya ni AENEKIGWE no mokonyi bo county commissioner sensemo ya Kitutu Central Elizabeth Atemi oyobaga kwarigania abantu bonsi wesoke ritkerio erigo chengera tukeriga asate babuna abarayi bonsi abage siasa abedini nigo bariganiriye aso muyegoyo muri keito Josephat Hamisi namange
Komiti yo kwarigania omuyega Madaraka Day me county ya Kisii nigo yanyareko beko yarigani bene elio kwenekia uno muyego yo nigo rachikoba asenjere botoereru no boitongo.
Leo hivi tuko na kamati ambayo imekuwa ikishughulika kuandaa sherehe ya county celebration ambayo ni Madaraka Day. Mwaka huu tunaadhimisha siku 60 tangu tupate uongozi kama taifa na ni siku ambayo tunajivunia kwa kweli. Ningependa kujulisha wananchi kwamba tumeandaa hii sherehe vilivyo. Venue ama mahali ambapo tutafanyia sherehe kwa mwaka huu ya Madaraka Day itakuwa hapa Gusii Stadium. Tunatarajia wananchi waweze kuingia kuanzia saa 2 asubuhi tutakuwa tumefungua milango za uwanja huu.
Tubwate sherehe ya Madaraka Day tukuri Aramisi wiki ye na igoto kwireri bageri kubaharigani mumanyeteri tukerio no gwasherekea ubusiburi twanyorete kurwa somo peperu emyaka 50 mo yaerire
gatia baraya baranyara ko baguchikora omuyego yo no mu county commissioner bwe county ya Kisii na bwe gomugabana bwe county ya Kisii Simbarati
ambapo wageni wetu ambao ni mashuhuri siku hiyo wakiongozwa na gavana wetu wa jimbo hili la Kisii pamoja na county commissioner kwa upande wa national government ndio watakuwa wanatuongoza katika hizo sherehe. Tumeweza kualika viongozi wengine wa kisiasa na wa makanisa na hata wafanyabiashara na watu wa kutajika wa tajriba katika jamii hii.
Honorable Simbarati mugabano itu twanjete mono atotebya amagenderero abekire agochikokorekana ase county yetu ya Gusii ekero arengerete kuyira guchia Selvende
gatia barayi abare ase komite yo nabatenere bechikanisa oboigo batebire bachikoira libagelyo elio kwenekenga banyade ko bakuyebeka ensi ya Kenya asama sabo naboigo county ya Kisii elio kotwara omulembe no botoere ruchinga kichonsi.
Tunaposhikia pia hotuba ya kiongozi wetu wa nchi pamoja na gavana wetu ni vema nasi tuje pamoja tuombe pamoja tumshukuru Mungu ameilinda Kenya ameibariki Kenya imekuwa na baraka Kenya imekuwa na amani tumeshirikiana pamoja hivyo ni siku ya maana sana kushirikiana pamoja hata vijana wa bodaboda ni siku pia ya maana kuja pamoja tumuombe Mungu na tumekuwa na shida kidogo tu na bodaboda tukija pamoja siku hiyo pia tutavuta umoja wetu ndio itakuwa nguvu zetu tunapokuwa pamoja kwa hivyo Mungu awabariki sana njoni tarehe mosi tusherehekee pamoja
boigo komite inigo yanyareko be kwarigania chikwaya aao na boigo ababugi chingero abaranyara ko bakwenekia ngabago kirie bonsi abaranyara ko bagoikirana asegetie kio kia Gusii Stadium
Tutakuwa hapa pia na entertainment, watumbuizaji mbalimbali watakuwa hapa, hata kwaya zitakuwa hapa, shule zitakuwa hapa kuweza kutumbuiza wageni.
Ntubwate entertainment groups iga mogocha kurigereria abantu bagotenga CHISUKURU ao chiarangiri guchigo chaga iga traditional dancers no bakare na mangana mange
ira etarikia ya mo yo mutinyo gatano ari mokero mwakense ya Kenya nige konyara kwa bigo chengera litikolia Madaraka Day aso mwako ime county ya Kisii mulego ni goraje kwa korekana asegeti kya Gusii stadium asabago omulego nyara kwa guchukora wa no mugavana we county ya Kisii Simba ARATI boigo nigo aba Kenya anene abamenyi be county ya Kisii banyare ko bakwaregani wasobonge nyara ko bago ikera na aso mulego go chengera anene omwaka ense ya Kenya nyaka ko ba gekonyora obogambi waime Oripoteri kitaseni Ndizi TV kurege tiki ya Gusii stadium ime county ya Kisii eriterana Josephat Amese
Miyamono Josephat Amisi ase oroboti ororo ikiranu ekeombe ya computers for schools in Kenya kubwatirana ne abisyo mu women rep ya county ya Kisii Dori Saburi nigo bagenderete no murobero bwogosira ABASAE kwenekia bunankwe egenderera bwari bya ase amatukari bosyo nigo bagenderete no murobero bwo kwenekia ABASAE banyorire AMAGENDERERO ayo AMAGENDERERO yobotumeki bwechinjera chiekerero gose computer skills awase abarokiwa egati abali babiri bakonyora AMAGENDERERO yayo litikolia rero baba kubekerwa CHIGUTWA omugetambukero abanki babo babeire bakogokera muri kyoito dipo nasanya norobotyo
Gati yemeroberio miya omugwimenere bwe county ya Kisii Doris Aburi agenderete kokorera abamenyi be county ya Kisii mbuna gokonya bali batali kwenyara kurenderi tikolia rero ni gatwara omuyego monene bwoko bekera CHIGUTWA aborokiwa au babere bakwegera amagana computer skills yani chinjera chiekerero bosa batali wakanira kende
go computer chikabana babagosoma na baba akokora online journalism ebakonye na blogging nerororo through that na ndo no golioka na bakonyora no bato mwana nyumba onyolire fever kwaso ase computer what describe the symptoms so mano yabata
who are assisting us bridge the digital divide across the country. This is a project that we started back 2018 and this is our 5th year of implementation.
Omuroberio yo ni gobeire asegeka kimeti nyebere bono asaborokiwa emieyemo na mirange 5 na 5 banyara kobekerwa CHIGUTWA na konyora certificate wetera sama soma iwe.
I'm happy to be attending the graduation event here in Kisii for 165 students.
Gati yaborokiwa banyorete amasoma ya nigo bagokera umuyegoyo na kwireneria ngambu ya mono gochia so mu women rep we county ya Kisii Doris Aburi asoko basira muna ABASAE
seritanga ningwa keromongi na donya toto asanti enene asenyencho nerogedire rero twaikire igatobegete chianga bunechi gatobegete onyarire gotenenera twasomire computer science
akire ngambi ya mono asachagite umurobirio yoiga doshingango chori gotokonya mono ande mono mnanje nasomete ebintu ebinge ebirankonye siko gari
asomire computer digital marketing na ifunzira amangana amange ayuara nkonye isiko gaiga korigi egasi
onero tukoleto ya graduation training ya rengen sponsored na women representative ya Gusii ya Kisii County oyokoro kwa Doris Donya Toto ntwarenge gwakana besende onsi. It was a free training one mna twakorega now we are equipped maybe into tochiko keroto chiko so into job places to tranyare konyara put them into practice.
Boigo nigo baboria omuroberio yo nyare kogenderera erio ABASAE bande banyare gwesokia banyare konyora ubumanyi obo gotumika chimashini chiekerero
oko empower youths naendera gukora igo asibari barache youths abandu ba Kisii County batigaire
no kote yabana youth bare isko gabu bali batagete go somera computer na obago join and it's free.
Komenta najwe obuyabu AMAGENDERERO ya no konyora emirimo na wekinia asobogima
orentire abana bache gosoma amangana y'iki computer ekogera abana bango konyora mwae agarira TikTok yakonya gwesekerera bweka bono valentira ase bagoseka ne computer na gochenchani ebirengereri oyonde asoyonde
abagwatani barengeo mbakireko kumurubirio yo na koyoa okoboko
murabanyora certificate basoke isiko barigererisi chi computer bakora magana ya ko data entry gasende yonse diganete mangani chi computer egera banyari gwetenene wetu wasi unago sana. I'm so happy na ba invite you and I'm grateful to you and the community asivasi agokora utaki bila na ile meeting and agendete kwa bana from different angles, and truly speaking I have really enjoyed this session.
Uripoti likitaseniki Ndizi TV korwa samaga chichi abisi chomo women Rebwe County ya Kisii elietalia nendipon asanya
Mia mono dipona asanya ase oraboti ururu ikiranu ikiombe kiabagaka kurwa sorogongo rwa Gusii bakora wanu munyakirogobo araka matundra nigo baburiria ABASAE wetanga kurwa sogo tumekwa eriyo gosegeta chiburaburu nabo igo guturubania omorembe boigo ni government goteba buna serikali nigo chibwenerete gusikwa.
Kama viongozi wote kwa zile timu tatu tulikuja hapa siku ya leo tukanye vijana wetu. Wale tunaona wanasema zaidi ama wanafanya mengine zaidi ama wanalete mambo mengine, tuwakanye, tuwe na heshima, tuwe na community ambayo inaheshimika na Wakenya wengine, na tunaheshimiana sisi kwa sisi. Kwa hivyo mambo mengi tusiende kando na mpangilio ya serikali. Tuheshimu serikali yetu ya county, tuheshimu county, tuheshimu serikali yetu ya inchi, tuwe na heshima hapo.
Chinga kiecho matundrani go aboriria banasiasa kwenekia bunankorenda barechi meme cyabo na gotiga gukwana CHINKWANA chitabwenereti cyo goturubania omorembe.
Kuna viongozi wengine wanaongea mambo yanaenda kando katika Masisi na bali zingine kama hizo. Tunawahimiza tafadhali tukanye maneno yetu na tukanye vijana wetu na viongozi, tuchague yale maneno tunasema kwa mikutano mbalimbali, kwa sababu ya heshima ndio tutakuwa tunaheshimika na wengine. Vijana ni waende pole kwa mambo kadhaa na waheshimu wale wako mbele yao, na waheshimu wazazi wao, waheshimu viongozi wao, ili tuwe na pahali ya heshima na community yetu itaheshimika na wengi. Kwa hivyo tunataka wasingilie maneno mengi hapa na huko, na wale wanafanya kazi ya kazi mbalimbali tuwe na heshima pahali tuna
Nsemerie kwa meriria serikali ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya nigegenderete kugikiria bururu ogweti wa we bill yechibesa cyo mwaka bwechiribu 2023 asikira batere buna bill yo isewetiwa nenchire yemo yo komentera ba Kenya egurube chinga kiyechigabagenderete wetera makongu au kubwatikana no komenta kwa magori yebinto nabono nigo baganirie serikali ya Kenya kwanza kweneke unango tuguterera bill yo na korosi bill nya yo bwatriti AMAGANIO yaba Kenya.
On the joint bipartisan talks, the PG received a briefing as follows: that Kenya Kwanza has offered that the joint co-chairs should write to the IBC selection panel requesting them to halt the process for about 21 to 30 days. To preserve the IBC's presidential election servers, the Kenya Kwanza side has expressed willingness to co-author a letter to the IBC reminding them of their legal obligation to preserve the presidential election servers and the data contained therein. Kenya Kwanza has asked that the co-chairpersons meet to discuss and write the required letters so that the joint bipartisan talks can continue. With regard to interference in Jubilee, the Kenya Kwanza has indicated willingness to commit in writing to respect the ruling of the political parties disputes tribunal, confirming the Jubilee Party leadership. They have no offers on lowering of the cost of living because they are married to the finance bill, and we have a plan for the bid. The PG has noted the 2 concessions made by Kenya Kwanza. It is, however, the view of the parliamentary group that those concessions are not good enough.
Habaraya bwogo kwana nabari kyamangana mimucho Nairobi bakora wanu murai bwabara KOPIO wandayi nigo baganiriye serikali gotaswana na nebyama anenebire ase obomo bwa AZIMIO la umoja one Kenya askari anonya nabo bataire na tibali go chiago kora CHINKWANA gati yabo ne serikali chinga kiecho nigo bamuchoro mubunge w'Embakasi West Mark Mwenje ikoba omo deputy minority whip ase ebunge nene ko irali bagari aye Sabina Chege.
Indeed, the AZIMIO MPs have resolved to sign a public pledge to oppose the bid, awaiting its withdrawal. Indeed, many other MPs, other than those from AZIMIO, are equally prepared to do this. It is our resolution that other than merely committing not to interfere in the affairs of other parties, Kenya Kwanza must agree that all Jubilee MPs, and indeed any other MPs, who have defected to Kenya Kwanza, in essence, have to face by-elections in line with the Constitution of Kenya. Until all these are agreed upon, the joint bipartisan talks remain.
Omosairo manene bweri chiko NOORDIN ajinigo aikera nabo siwe kamati etendete amangana yechsemi eryo KOUNENKIGWA kubwatkana nali ose KOUNENKIGWA ochia ko irali bagabu na omotenelyo manene bwe kiombe kya National Intelligence Service NIS magaga yogo chorwa no murai wense gochia gotenera ekiombe kyo NOORDIN gabaga kwegerera kubwatkana ali abereka gokora ase obisi obosairi nanene abaga gokwanira ali arengete gochia gokora ase ekiombe kya NIS eryo koenekia buna oborendi boisaine na boigo obokorerio buyabwa abere bokorwegwa ase abananchi.
On the issue of corruption and insecurity, I think he was saying that I did little in terming corruption, and I beg to differ. I did a lot, as I had said earlier. It was during my tenure that the highest ever fined case was achieved during my tenure. And it is not the only one. There were about 4 cases that broke the ceiling in terms of the fines and the sentences that we were able to get as ODPP. In addition, I think it was during my tenure that we managed to bring at fore how best we can deal with corruption. It was during my tenure that we were able to get rulings from court that governors will have to step aside from court and not serve once they're charged. And we were able to go all the way to the Supreme Court to get a definition of who is a public and who is a state officer. And all this have had a positive impact. In addition, it was during my tenure that we were able to bring about prosecution-guided processes, including bringing the concept of follow the money. And I think the fact that a few cases were withdrawn, this was to reset how we can make more effective prosecutions in terms of
Umugavana wa county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga niga kwanire EMEROBERIO yabegete YOGOSIIRA obochenu ase county yo okwana chinga kiechyo Wanga niga tebire na niga gocha koenekia oibe Mario gaisaine aberega ko toka se chinyagetari na boigo abanyagetari baisaine eriokorwa obokoreri boroboronge boigo niga rurege kurege tindi gochia se abakori mere master sector yobochenu bali anene barabe bakubwatraniwa na mangana yobokurumi buna oboibwa Mario gokorwa se chinyagetari.
Now we even have a lounge there for our doctors, which means that our doctors are able to be found here in case of emergencies. One of the issues, if you're walking around with us, you had the staff saying that right now emergencies can be dealt with within half an hour to 1 hour, as opposed to in the past being done less. But more importantly, the issue of maternal mortality is a primary healthcare issue as well. And antenatal clinics. And what our CHPs, whom we are also taking very, very seriously, are also doing is ensuring that when mothers are conceived, they're able to go to antenatal clinics. And we're also working together with our CHPs to ensure maternal mortality goes down. I want us to have this discussion again after 1 year so that we're able to assess. Because we can talk, but we want to be able to see the numbers, because numbers don't lie. So in another year, we want to see the numbers and to see whether these interventions that we are making have actually had a result that we are desiring.
Ekiombe kia Evangelical Alliance of Kenya nigo kiaburirie serikali gotabwatania chikanisa chionsi ase amocho atababwatiranetie na nene kubeka richiko irurirabe gotenenera obokoreri wechikanisa okwana se kanisa ya Skills for Living Ministries yo gotoka ime county ya Siaya nigo omurikyo monene wekiombe kyo Nelson Makandia atababuna richiko iryorise kobekwa nigo rirakonya chikanisa wasiokwa amakongwabo ase obuororokegima.
Without regulation, the church is registered under Register of Societies, and there is a law that regulates churches. But however, we desire as EAK that we have a separate statute so that then we are able to address issues that are unique to us.
Have also requested the government not to harass all church ministers because of the wrongdoings of individuals that maybe they can reach.
Omwanchi omuliererio roboti oru na rogotoreta omwerio bwa Amayia Chinsa Isato asenchera ereyo bwekirano karongo wakirangambia mono asogochora kobananche nambia mono asogochora kobwati EMEROBERIO yonsi ya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo Gusii asamange nabakwenda gotonyora asensemere ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter nabo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News ere togendere kwemanya nabo igo wesemia amanke ere ne Everline Osero twabwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwenekya wekeira sensemo yebimanyererio nere Petronira mukeira oyonekya bunachi bicha neryo gicha wekeire asenchira yabene twara oburigereri borobuya asemeroberio yonsi nabo igobotko borobotoerero.